Okay, hope this makes sense. But here we go. So the way this needle works is the stepper motor is always going to apply a certain amount of torque to hold the needle in a specific position. And it's always going to start at a specific set point. Doesn't give a fuck where the actual needle is. So all you got to do with yours, which is in this as a rest position right now, is go all the way back to, I like to look for the number 44. Let me see if it, you can't see it, but let me confirm. Okay, yeah, here we go. I like to use the number 44 as a starting point. So bring that needle all the way back to number 44, then spin it forward. See how that gets you like 99% of the way there? Now, the thing you want to keep in mind is the moment the motor applies torque to the start point, what seems to be here right now is going to end up here. So once you get to a point that's near zero, just apply a little more pressure, and that's going to be your actual resting start point. All right, let me know if that makes sense. If not, we'll dive a little deeper into this.